If your thermostat won't connect to the cloud service for remote monitoring, it's super frustrating, but there are some simple fixes you can try right now. First off, make sure your Wi-Fi is actually working and your phone or other devices can connect without any issues. Then, check if your thermostat's firmware is up to date, because outdated software can mess with cloud connections. Next, you want to reset the network settings on your thermostat. That usually means going into the settings menu and choosing the option to forget your Wi-Fi network, then reconnecting like it's brand new. Double check that your Wi-Fi password is correct and you're not running into any weird characters that the thermostat might not like. Also, keep your router close to the thermostat or try moving it slightly if the signal feels weak, because a weak signal often causes connection drops. Sometimes, power cycling your thermostat and router helps too. Just turn them off for about 30 seconds and then power back on. If you've got any firewall or security settings on your router, make sure they aren't blocking the thermostat's access to the internet. Lastly, if you have a dual-band router, try connecting the thermostat to the 2.4 GHz network instead of 5 GHz, since some devices struggle with the faster band. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their thermostat cannot connect to the cloud service is ignoring the need to update the device's firmware, which often fixes bugs related to connectivity. Another common issue is failing to reset network settings properly. Just reconnecting isn't enough because lingering old data can cause conflicts. The third problem is placing the router too far away or in a spot with bad signal strength. Moving it or using a Wi-Fi extender can fix this. For each of these, the fix is straightforward. Update firmware regularly, do a full network reset on the thermostat, and optimize your Wi-Fi setup. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors for projects big and small without the headache of endless searching. Contractors get connected with real jobs in their area, so everyone wins and projects get done right.